Hey everyone, Mr. Sujano here. In this video, we're talking about Nintendo Switch, gaming leaks, Amazon Luna, and more. Let's get started. Alright, we'll kick things off here talking about Nintendo Switch, and this piece of news is extremely interesting. It's over on gbatemp.net, and I'll leave a link to it in the description below. Apparently here there's been some major updates made in the $3 PicoFly Nintendo Switch mod chip project. Now the mod chip itself is based on the RP2040, and in today's day and age, good luck trying to find one at $3 considering all of the chip shortages. I found one here on Amazon for $11, but that's still a pretty good price. There's now even a GitHub page dedicated to the entire project, and I'll drop a link to it in the description below and feel free to check it out. And if you wanted to learn more about the entire thing and read up on the process, I'll drop a link to the GBA temp thread in the description below and feel free to check it out. It is worth pointing out that this method doesn't seem to be complete and perfect just yet. There are still some things to figure out, and it's also not the easiest to perform. I would argue that just hacking the Switch instead is far easier, but this is still pretty cool. And speaking about pretty cool, next up we're still talking about the Nintendo Switch, but this time about Switch emulation on Android with Skyline. Skyline just got a brand new update. If you head to skyline-emu.1 and click on download, at the time of filming it's version 2147. It's almost like they're updating a brand new version every single day. At a high level here, I wouldn't expect to see any performance improvements in your games, but the UI for Skyline now looks a heck of a lot better. If you head into the settings menu on Skyline, you'll now see that there's nice toggle switches instead of checkboxes, and there's also a brand new option here for Use Material U. Feel free to check it out and have some fun. And speaking about having fun, it looks like the rumors have been confirmed, and I'm really hoping this isn't some sort of elaborate April Fool's joke from Valve. But Counter-Strike 2 is real, and the limited test is up on the website here. I'll drop a link to it in the description below. There's an entire FAQ posted, and there's a very interesting answer to a question. Someone asks, how long will the Counter-Strike 2 limited test last? And they say Counter-Strike 2 is expected to ship summer 2023. Please visit the Counter-Strike blog for up-to-date information on the limited test and future announcements. And if that's not enough information to confirm this rumor, Valve posted 3 different videos to their YouTube channel today, and I'm going to link to every single one of them. Feel free to check them out. And speaking about leaks, LEGO leaked this the other day and 2K confirmed it, and they're officially announcing it tomorrow. But LEGO 2K Drive appears to be an open-world AAA racing game and looks pretty darn good. Photos are up over on Resetera and they're picked up from IGN's website. I'll drop a link in the description below. As for pricing, it doesn't seem like it's going to be a microtransaction hell, and I'm hoping that holds true. It looks like it's going to cost about $60 everywhere else except $70 on PS5 and Xbox. And there's also a couple packs here. One is $120 overall, which includes the season's pass. Moving on, and we're talking about cloud gaming with Amazon Luna, and where Google failed with Google Stadia and called it quits, Amazon appears to be doubling down. Amazon Luna is now available in Canada, UK, and Germany. For those who may be unaware, there's 3 different tiers for Amazon Luna. The base one, which gets you the Jackbox games, and that's $5 a month. There's one that gets you some more games, and that's $10 a month. And then the top tier, which is the Ubisoft tier, and that's $18 US a month. These prices will vary depending on where you're at, but at the same time here, it's a very different offering than Stadia ever was. And truth be told here, I am actually surprised to see this announcement. I would have expected them to possibly roll back Amazon Luna, but I'm guessing they're going for it now that the market's wide open without Stadia being there. I don't have Amazon Luna. If you do, let me know in the comments below and let me know your thoughts about it. Next up, we're talking about Linux and GNOME, and GNOME has just released version 44, which is actually a pretty big one. I'll leave a link to the entire changelog in the description below in the event that you did want to check it out. This one is called, and I'm going to butcher this, Kuala Lumpur? I'm not quite sure on how to say that. Anyways, here, one of the big changes is the grid view, and now actually getting nice previews for your images. There have been a ton of overall look and feel changes. You can now share your Wi-Fi password with a QR code. You can also share contacts with a QR code. And there's been a number of more changes. This is a huge release, and if you're using GNOME, you might want to check out the latest version here. And last up here, if you don't like replying to text messages, you might no longer have to. According to 9to5Google, it appears that Google may be introducing some brand new AI to reply to text messages for you. Now, I haven't seen anything official about this just yet, and it doesn't look like it's going to be seamless. It's not like the AI is just going to go off and have full-blown conversations. There will be a level of involvement, and I'm not quite sure what's going to happen here, but it looks like it's going to replace the smart reply feature that's currently in place. If you wanted to see more of this, I'll leave a link to this 9to5Google article in the description below, and feel free to check it out. But anyways, that is all I've got for you in this one. Straight to the point, all stuff and no fluff. We talked about a bunch today. Let me know your thoughts about absolutely any of it in the comments below. If you like this video, leave a like. If you didn't like this video, leave a like. Hit that subscribe button, check out my other videos. Don't tempt fate, save your state.